Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Precious Malaji, and today we will be doing the farm tour. Welcome to my farm. Okay, this piece of land, we've been having it for about 6 years now. Ne? We initially had plans to do something to do with engineering, construction, something like that. Wanted to build paving blocks. So unfortunately, that plan didn't work, and we still have the land. So we really needed to think about something that we could do to actually use the land, and this is it. I am now a farmer. Actually started farming in March this year. We are farming beetroot, onion, um, tomatoes, and a whole lot of aloo. Obviously, a whole lot of aloo. I may have started farming in March, but I have been doing my research. So one thing I've learned about farming and about fertilizers is the fact that a lot of them are poisonous. They're not really good for us. Well, they cover the plant, they protect the plant for farmers to have a specific, for them to meet a specific standard, but then the nutrients and the vitamins are compromised. We've been researching and working on the fertilizer, which is organic. So we're gonna be trying out a lot of things on this land, and hopefully we're gonna be inventing a lot of new products. But we plan to make it as organic as we can. We currently have 2 employees, and yeah, I took them. Luckily, they knew how to farm. So a friend of mine suggested that we call it Nano Agri. I like it, though I wanted to go with something different, but just let me know, does Nano Agri sound nice? Should I just put it under Nano, or should it be a separate company on its own? I would like to hear from you guys. Though we had already drilled a borehole, so we already have a borehole, which is I think 90% less problems in terms of expenditure. So luckily we have a borehole. The water is fresh, the water is clean. Like, it's the best water I've tasted in my life. Whenever I really need good water, I come to this farm to drink straight from the earth. Okay, we currently use a generator. We don't have electricity, which is gonna be a big expense for us if we do not actually plan properly for it. So we are still trying to brainstorm around it on which is the best solution. We once made a quotation from Eskom for the electricity. The quotation amounted to about 40,000 rands, guys. So I think that's a bit too much, especially because you'll still be required to buy the electricity. Where else we could get a solar, we could get solar panels and try to work this thing straight from Mother Nature. So those are the 2 options. So obviously the solar panels are a bit pricey, but it's a good investment. I mean, you won't have to be, recharging the solar panels every day. It's energy from God. We are using a generator. It's so efficient, and it saves a lot of petrol. It's not like the expense of petrol that I need to put in is not as bad as what I expected. So yeah, I think for now it works. 100 meters by 100 meters. So it is 1 hectare. It looks big, but for farming purposes, it's actually very, very small. For commercial farming, if you and your family are going to be eating from that piece of land and maybe selling to your community, it will do. But if you want to farm and actually serve the nation, 1 hectare is very, very small. So this farm is 1 hectare, but it is a good start. You need to start somewhere, right? advise you guys to also start your own farm. You don't need a piece of land. Just identify a piece of land in your yard, in your backyard. Buy some seeds and start. The seeds are not so expensive. They range from 13 rands to about 40 rands depending on the type of seed. So as you can see behind me, we've got some cement and some sand. The plan is, guys, there is nothing like nature, and a lot of you know that I'm a sucker for peaceful places. I love nature. So isn't this just also a perfect place to have a home? So yeah, that's the plan with those. We're gonna be building a house. We're building a house here, and we also need a bit more space for the farm itself. So that's what it's for. In a few weeks, the project will start. We'll be manufacturing bricks and building. Okay, maybe let's start here. So as you can see, this one, there's mangoes. There's actually a lot of mango trees in this yard. This is the first one. There's a row of alu. So the idea is that this is actually the entrance. So when you enter, you have to be surrounded by alu. Just to bring out that freshness and the vibes and Mother Nature feeling. So that's the whole idea of this alu. In a few years' time, hopefully, they're gonna be clumped up as walls actually. And then when you walk, you feel like you are walking in. God. This is the storeroom. This is the storeroom. It has nothing. Currently we just put the tools that we are currently using, and there's actually nothing to it. And I think another advantage of this place is that on the first project we had put in a concrete slab, complete and balance the JoJo tape. Okay, this is the cup. Whenever we need water, connect the generator, start running it. It's got clean, fresh water. I'm actually thinking of selling this water, guys. It's so good. You don't know. Come to my farm to taste my water. And then, okay. And as you can see, this piece of land. This is my daughter's piece of land. She requested that we have a small land for her, and this is where she's gonna be working her own land and selling her own food, clean and ready for production. As you can see, these are the plantations, the seeds that we've already started planting. It's always a good idea to plant the seeds together, just to save some water before they actually start sprouting, so that you're able to transplant. So here, these first two rows, we've got spinach germinating quite fast, but according to how they should sprout, this is how they should. They're germinating very, very fast. Spinach is one of my favorite vegetables, guys, because of the protein. You have good skin and good for your blood, good for your skin, good for your mental health. Spinach is good for you. So here we have another type of spinach, different type of spinach, and here we have tomatoes. Tomatoes were very slow to sprout, guys. They're very, very slow. They were slower than everything else here. It was first the spinach, and then the beetroot, and then the onion, and then the tomatoes. They're quite very slow. We don't have a lot of tomatoes. That's plant It's beetroot, also one of my favorites, and healthy as well. So in the next few days, we will be transplanting these seeds to the bigger land so they become greater and ready for splitting and harvesting. So yeah, okay, this is the shelter. This is where we normally chill, take a break, and I love working from here because it's so peaceful, man. I can think, I can actually think and think to myself. So I like working from here. There, that corner, you can see that house there. That's the toilet. I'm lazy to walk there, guys. But that's the toilet. It's a male and female toilet. Yeah, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my farm tour. This is the start of a new journey. We are learning as we go. So I hope you stay tuned to see how we actually make it work. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe, like, and share with whoever you think is gonna like the content. Bye.